Sorry you guys can't see this, but this is Mom's actually new car. It's a 2018 Chrysler 300C. Mom, turn the lights on from the car. The video wants. There you go. 2018 Chrysler 300C.
It's gonna bite your ass.
Excuse. Anyways,
Buddy. Buddy.
that's the neighbor's dog. As you can see that. But that's the new car right there. But there you go. That's the new car. You guys know the walk around of it at night. So I'm gonna show you guys the back lights real quick.
Good boy.
That's the rims.
Good boy.
That's the back one. And what you turn on? Excite me a little. So that's Mom's new car. It's a 2018 Chrysler 300C. I don't know if you don't believe me, guys. I'll show you guys right now. This one does have the halogen, the little lights on the mirrors. And I'll show you guys the 300C. Where's the 300S? Sorry. Let me focus on the camera quickly. There you go. Sorry guys, 300S. Sorry about that. And yeah, that's the new car update. I'm gonna give you guys another video whenever it started up. So thank you guys for watching.